I'm Liz from the Friendly Food Club, a Dorset-based charity that helps people to learn to cook. So what can we offer? We can offer a fun cooking or a food exploration session to help your young people or children to find out more about food, healthier choices, and learn some new skills. We bring everything, so please don't worry if you don't have kitchen facilities. So why is it important? 89% of children eat less than 3.5 portions of fruits and vegetables a day, much less than the 5 portions recommended. This can lead to obesity and longer-term health conditions as they grow up. It really doesn't help to set great eating patterns for the future. 29% of children eat less than 1 portion of vegetables a day. This really cannot be good for our children's health. However, having said that, 77% of adults also eat less than 3.5 portions a day. So really, what example are we setting? But why cook? 87% of parents still think that learning to cook is a good skill for life. However, 3/4 of parents believe their children really can't cook a meal. So how can we help? By boosting their confidence, starting some cooking skills early on, we can really help children grow up in a world where cooking is an everyday activity. In the long term, this helps them to save money, to make the most of what ingredients are around them, and hopefully lead to a healthier lifestyle. So what do the Friendly Food Club sessions aim to deliver? There are 3 key areas. Firstly, there's skills, knife skills, food preparation skills, measuring, weighing, reading recipes, who knows, it just is endless. Secondly is learning about food, making healthier choices, understanding nutrition, where food comes from, and the ability to try new foods and open up a level of curiosity about food. It also brings aspects of communication, teamwork, managing risk, building confidence, and resilience, because we all know kids do make mistakes, but it's helping them to learn to recover from those. The Friendly Food Club have 2 HAF offers. This is usually determined by the facilities that you have and the level of interaction that you want the children to take part in. Offer 1, Get Cooking, Make Lunch. This is a full-on cooking session for up to 20 children across 2 hours. Or if you have more than 20 children, we can break it into 2 shorter sessions with a maximum of 40 children across the both. We introduce subjects of hygiene, safe knife skills, food preparation skills such as peeling, grating, stirring, measuring, mixing and rolling, although this will depend on the recipe chosen. For this session, the Friendly Food Club brings everything, including portable induction hobs to cook upon. If you're working in a location that doesn't allow cooking, we can devise a food preparation setting that doesn't involve hot heat. Please contact us for more information. To make these sessions a real success, we do need your help. We need you to check that the location is happy for this activity to go ahead. We need you to provide us a list of allergens or other dietary requirements at least 24 hours before the session. We will need 5 tables for a group of 20. To meet minimum food safety standards, we do need access to hot and cold water where there isn't a kitchen area. Obviously, it is ideal if there is access to a sink and hot water for washing up. If you do not have access to hot water, please let us know and we will bring the necessary equipment to ensure that we do have hot water. Cooking is done on portable induction hobs. These will require access to safe power sockets, ideally at least 4. We do request that your staff must support the children, especially any SEND needs. The children get a lot more out of the session where your staff are engaged with them. Your staff will retain responsibility for the safety and behaviour of children and young people in the session. We also look to you to help dispose of the waste created. Offer 2, Look, Feel, Taste, is a fun 1-hour exploration session of fruits and vegetables using our senses, looking at colour, texture, touch, feel, and hopefully, although there's no obligation, we can encourage the children and young people to taste the food. We explore where fruits and vegetables come from, how they grow, how far they've travelled, and lots of other interesting discussion points that the children can bring up. This follows a proven method of exploration that helps children to break down the barriers to trying new foods. There is no obligation to taste, although peer pressure is an amazing thing. We use fun interactive games and tasks to explore our senses to engage everybody. This particular session is really good for groups where we perhaps haven't visited before, you're not sure about cooking, or you have limited facilities. To make this session really successful, we do ask that you provide a list of allergens or any other dietary requirements at least a day before. We will need 4 tables for a group of 20 children. That we do ideally have access to cold water, ideally hot, but again, let us know if we cannot. Your staff must support the children, especially SEND needs. There will be lots of questions and lots of opportunity for your staff to interact. Your staff will retain the responsibility for the safety and behaviour of the children and young people, and also we look for you to dispose any waste created. So why use the Friendly Food Club? We're experts at delivering food-related sessions. We run over 600 of them every single year across Dorset. Our team are brilliant and friendly and really experienced at working with children and young people and deliver engagement across all groups. We're a registered food business, so there's no need to worry. We have a 5 hygiene rating and policies and risk assessments are available on request. The team all have DBS, Level 2 food hygiene and first aid training. All of our volunteers are also DBS checked and receive regular training on a number of areas. We can simply parachute into your activity and deliver a well-defined and impactful session. Interested? Well, here is our simple booking procedure. What you need to do now is go to our website using the link provided, reserve your date using the booking link. You will then be sent a confirmation email with a link to another more detailed form that gives us all the information to help us plan the session. Hopefully our booking procedure is really easy. You can now reserve your date immediately. Please follow the link to the website. It's really important that you give us accurate information on which to plan. Please ensure that your local staff are also aware of all of our requirements. Decide if you need to cancel the lunch provision for that day. If you're having a cooking or food preparation session, the children will be working together to make their lunch. If this isn't required, please do let us know in advance. On the day, we aim to arrive around an hour to 45 minutes before the requested start time. We bring a lot of staff with us, so it would be really helpful for you to make sure that there is an easy space to offload and park. If somebody could look out for the team's arrival, particularly if there is security access into the building. Please make sure that there are clear and usable tables ready to go. Your tutor will make contact with the name given about a day before the actual session to confirm any last-minute details and requesting the allergens. On the day, the team will arrive about an hour to 45 minutes before the requested start time. Please note that we will take at least 45 minutes to clear away afterwards. Any help your team can give this will also be gratefully received. We really hope that there is an offer there that you feel that you can take up.